Hello friends. Today we are repairing the panel from the ACV AVS-8198R tape recorder. We don't have a knob here, because it was lost. And the encoder itself stopped working. So the sound can't be adjusted. Let's disassemble it and see if it can be restored or if it will have to be replaced. Let's start disassembling. You also need to unsolder the microphone because it interferes with getting the board out of the case. In general, a person does not need it, but we will do everything correctly. The black wire is on the left and the red wire is on the right. I found one encoder in my stock. The size is the same, only the legs will need to be bent a little. First of all, I will try to restore the old encoder, and if I fail, I will change it to a new one and adjust the legs a little, because they are a little different. I will first solder it using a special soldering iron with a built-in solder pump. And then I will apply rose alloy in order to quickly be able to solder the encoder because the melting temperature will be lower. You can't heat it with a hairdryer because you can melt everything around you made of plastic. Let's get to work, friends. Now I will disassemble the encoder and clean it and also do an inspection. I once already repaired such an encoder. It was very rare and was not sold anywhere, so I had to try to restore it. I succeeded in this, and now I will try again. First I need to wash off all the flux from the board and the encoder, after which I will start disassembling. I cleaned everything and now I will move under the microscope to clean the plaque that formed on the contacts with a metal object. I will probably do this with tweezers. You also need to bend the contacts for better contact and connection with each other. Now that's another matter. Now it works perfectly, there is a good fixation and the tactual movements are felt. The sensitivity has become very good. Switching now occurs in tacks that are clearly felt. And now it is necessary to solder it in place. Now you need to wash the board from the flux. Look, friends, I glued a special film for displays. This is done in order not to scratch or smudge it. Now we just peel it off and everything is ready for planting. So now I have to design a knob for the encoder so that it is convenient to use when increasing the volume. A 3D printer will help me with this. I will make it out of plastic. But first I need to design it. This is the knob I made, but I don't like it. I'll probably redo it. Unfortunately, the video was lost, but there are photos left. I will attach them at the end of the video. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to put your thumb up. See you soon.